and welcome back to the Morning Blend, where it's a Phase Fashion Friday. So what if the weather's cold and crummy outside? You need to think spring. Just like, will it?
How are we going to do that? Well, we got Faye here to help us do that. She's a fashionista, has 2 boutiques that you can visit. We're going to tell you about an unbelievable sale in just a second. I'm just going to tease you with that. But first, great to see you, Faye.
Good. We have to talk about the sale?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
You love that word.
But I've got a good segue for it, okay?
Okay.
So, in the fashion world, winter is so over. I mean, we can't even remember winter, but what that means is at Phase, spring is throughout the store, but anything that's left, fall and winter, is $5 to $99.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And it's cold. It's going to be cold here until probably March. So I mean, we got time.
Let's move on.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Wait, say it one more time. I didn't hear it all.
$5 to $99, all fall and winter clothing and accessories.
Starting now, Brookfield
And accessories.
And Mequon, yes.
How are accessories winter?
Oh, like fall bags.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Not like
fall
not
shoes,
fall earrings.
fall boots. No, yeah.
Okay, just checking.
She's working it. If they have a leaf or a snowflake, then they're on sale. All right, let's talk about trends because we've got some beautiful pictures here.
We do.
This is like Vava pink.
Okay. So we're talking about spring 2016, and there are some very significant spring trends. And the other thing that I want to talk about today is we've taken some pictures off the runway, and I think that everybody gets a little intimidated by runway looks and even things in the magazine. So let's really kind of look at this. What we really want to take away from here is maxi dresses are still a thing.
Okay, so it's the length.
The length is still a thing. Also, this color.
Yeah.
So anything sort of tango-like.
Oh, good. I have so much bright color stuff.
And that's wonderful. And also just sort of the opulence, all the detail, kind of goddesses in the details. So that's what you take away here. You don't say, oh my gosh, I could never wear that dress, or I don't know anybody who could wear that dress.
Gotta find one.
That's what you take away.
All right, let's move the pictures along because we got to keep this going.
Keep this going, okay.
Oh, I love that.
I know. So again, goddesses in the details. This is very embroidered, very embellished.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's such a cool length.
It's a very cool length
If
you've got
20.
your legs.
Right. Oh,
yeah, pretty.
Next one, I love that look. This is something that kind of has that. I recently got a pair of. Do you call them?
Did you, Molly? You got culottes?
Yeah, I got culottes.
Good for you.
Thank you.
I'm really excited about culottes, and I
They're
hope
kind of unique. And what's interesting is you can really do different kinds of shoes
you
with them.
can do different kinds of shoes. I used to sort of obsess about what shoes do you wear with a culotte. Kind of anything works.
Yeah.
From now, like a taller boot, so it goes under the culotte, to like even a flip flop when it gets to be summer. So I'm totally liking this.
So this is not only cool, but it would also be like crop pant legs.
Yes, of course.
That's going to be in the leather jacket on this.
Yes.
And what about the sheer top? Does that mean anything for fashion?
Well, sure, and I think that's great. And look here, again, very embellished. And even if you're not into sheerness, she threw a jacket over that.
Right.
So it's just kind of peeking out. It's not, everything's not
and
front
the
and
pant
center.
length.
Molly wore that. There'd be a lot front and center.
No, a lot front and center, yeah.
This culotte, I like. This has a cool hem to it, but it can be that or just straight plain without a hem.
The culotte is normally a little bit fuller than some
Yep.
crop pants, so that's sort of a characteristic of a culotte
It's
too.
fun
Okay.
too.
Next up is
keep the pictures going, guys. All right. That's cool. It's kind of got that denim look to it.
I don't know.
So it's got denim, and it's also kind of the new Americana. But again, Tiffany, don't zero in on this ensemble. It can be the ruffle. It can be the fringe. This whole kind of denim color that Molly cued in on, that's very important. And kind of the lighter denim, not so dark.
Okay.
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 I like
All right,
that.
next up. Where's our next one? There we go.
Oh, that's a neat look.
So that's a
Very
really
beachy.
kind of classic 80s sort of, you know, vibe to it, beachy. But again, here the fringe, the
I
crochet.
mean, that to me looks a little like over a swimsuit. Is this supposed to be a dress, or is this supposed to be
over a swimsuit? You could also wear it for day, which she's doing. And
but with
again,
those shoes, you could dress it up with a really cool pair of heels and a great like necklace of
and
some
she's
sort.
added some color with the yellow. The other thing that I want to point out here, the handbag charms.
Yeah.
Huge.
Really?
This is like a huge kind of new deal, which I think is really, really
that
fun.
looks like something my 6th grader would put on her backpack.
Yeah.
But I love that.
Well, you can steal it and put it on your handbag, okay?
Yeah, this dress shape looks very flattering.
It's really pretty.
This
Very
is the shirt
easy.
dress?
Again, a shirt dress, but again, look at the blues. So it's kind of nautical. The other thing that I like here is it's got a high-low hem.
Yeah.
So it's got a slit up the side, but it's kind of shorter in the front and then longer in the back.
That's one thing
Nice.
I've been seeing in trends is how high the slits are going on the side. So you kind of confuse yourself. Is it a dress? Is it a tunic? Is it a shirt? You know.
But usually when you have that high slit, usually you will have something like that where it's kind of shorter in the front and longer in the back. So again,
Yeah.
it just sort of teases.
You could
Yeah.
belt it too, which would be cute. Okay, just one comment about this
Yes.
last picture.
Okay, so it's kind of denim on denim again, which is
Yeah.
something that was taboo a couple of years ago. Now it's kind of the deal, and it should look kind of matched, but not deliberate. I mean, that's kind of
Too
hard.
matchy-matchy.
Okay, we do have one
here's
more.
the last
Okay,
one.
and got one more picture.
Oh,
okay,
fun.
again, and let's cue in on this. Don't
cute.
go, oh, for God's sake, who is wearing those shorts?
I think
Well,
it's
I'm not
cute.
quite sure, but again, take
I
a
would
look
wear
at
'em.
this. There's lace on the bottom. Okay, so lace is big for day. Lace is big for casual. Lace is great on the bottom.
Okay.
And
Okay.
we've kind of paired it with this preppy kind of top. So this is sort of new Americana.
Really
I like
cute.
that. Really
Okay.
fun. You have
That's
this
fun.
Valentine Tea and Fashion Show. There are very few seats left, though. It's happening at 12:30 at the Women's Club of Wisconsin. That's this Saturday, so it's tomorrow.
That's tomorrow.
Right, at 12:30. Again, at the Women's Club of Wisconsin, I think there's something like only 6 tickets
We have
left.
6 seats left.
So
sold
get in
out.
touch right away. Call the boutique.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's a fundraiser for St. Catherine's residents. So
Okay, wonderful. And that's the Valentine's Tea and Fashion Show. You can reach Faye's in Mequon as well as Brookfield. Don't forget that there's that incredible sale on winter stuff right now. Everything $5 to $99. You heard us right. It's painful for Faye, but she said it here. So visit one of the boutiques or call now to get one of the 6 tickets remaining for tomorrow's Tea and Fashion Show. Great
Thanks,
to see
Faye,
you.
be loyal, shop local. Winter is over.
Peace out.
Oh.
I love it. Thank
All
you,
right.
Faye.